Welcome to Moe'smoon Tarot. I'm doing the sign for Gemini. Um, Gemini, I felt so out of place and your energy when I started shuffling. So maybe some of you been feeling a little bit out of place, not sure if you're going toward the right direction. I feel like you are. You have door to personal healing and happiness, carrying connection, man holding a coin here. So some of you could be dealing with an earth sign or a water sign. I feel like y'all are healing a connection that you're in, something that's very stable. I also feel that some of you are healing your finances too, as well. Overall, you have thinking woman, Archangel Michael, which is the base chakra, your material things, taking action, and attachments. So this is like auditing things out of your life that you're attached to. Maybe certain things doesn't serve you anymore here with this attachment card. Woman holding her heart is here. Yin and yang. I think a lot of you are just trying to balance out your emotions here too as well. About how you feel about certain things here. The garden and the gate. I think somebody thinks the world of you too, Gemini. Or this could be you thinking the world of someone else here. Cornucopia, blossoming abundance. Okay, so it's a lot of good things coming in with this portal. It's a number 11, which is like the portal. That's how I see it. So a lot of doors will be opening up to bring this abundance. But it's also something to do with your attachments too. Okay, let's see. Let's just think him. Let's see. What's the thinking woman for Gemini? I think this is a number 47. So that's a number 11 too. So you might be going back and forth with yourself, which is normal for you. Trying to figure out what it is to do, what makes sense and what don't make sense when it comes to your finances too, your home life. Yeah, Ace of Swords. Thinking. This might have something to do with a work situation too. I see this woman back here with a calculator. Maybe you're calculating your next move here. What is the Eight of Swords? Some of you feel a little bit trapped at a job that you don't want here. Four of Swords. Yeah, some of you feel like taking a break from something, but you're not sure how you can do it with this Four of Swords. I want to say, try to calm your mind, try to meditate more too if you can. Some of you trying to figure out how to heal a situation with this Four of Swords. For some of you. What is this? The Hermit. Yeah. Could be with a Virgo. Are you going to be able to heal with a Virgo? But the Hermit is also like a ghosting energy. Maybe you're trying to figure out how to get away from a Virgo. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe somebody's acting a little bit distant here. What's the Hermit card here? Ace of Wands. Yeah, some of you do want a new beginning with a Virgo or a fire sign. Could be another air sign like yourself. Some of you just lost like inspiration and you're just trying to get that back. I feel like you will get like that oomph, passionate energy back. Harmony. Could be with a Sagittarius here. Alright, what is the first chakra? Base chakra. Ooh. Archangel Michael is here to assist you with your attachments here. Yeah, Five of Cups. Okay. So, either you or your person, somebody's in despair. These is things about a past situation here. Some relationship. Someone that you cared for. What's this five? Five also speaks about change here, too, as well. Two of Swords. Some of you trying to block off, not wanting a situation to be disappointing here. You holding it in. Some of you are in despair, but you're not showing it here. What is the Five of Cups for? The Magician. That's you. So you do have all the tools that you need to get out of this situation if you want to. Somebody keep avoiding how they truly do feel. That's what I feel. Yeah. Trying to cover their emotions, probably through drinking for some of you. I don't know how long that's going to work. Okay, that might be that attachment for some of you. Pay attention to your body, too, I want to say, because that is the base chakra here. If you got to cry, cry. Shit. Let it out. What's this Two of Swords? Yeah. Knight of Wands. Somebody not feeling passionate enough here. Not wanting to take action on anything here. Somebody trying to manifest something. Somebody's also being manipulative too by not opening up emotionally. I feel like that's not... I feel like eventually with the Knight of Wands it's going to come out anyway. Yeah. This is someone from your past here. Past life, connection. They see you as wish fulfillment, but they don't know how to tell you. That's what that is. So somebody sees somebody as wish fulfillment, but they don't know how to... This is someone who don't know how to express their emotions very well. This could be you. This could be your person. I don't know. They don't know. They still going having a dark night of the soul with this attachment here. Something that this person needs to look at, probably involved in their childhood. What's this attachment? The Sun. Childhood, see. Childhood. Could it be something to do with them, between them and a Leo here too as well? But I really do feel like this is something that either you or your person is attached to in the past, is bringing in a whole lot of regret. But with that Sun, I feel like it's going to come to whoever this is awareness that they need to work on their childhood wounds here. Give me one. Yeah. I feel like they will. Okay, woman holding a heart. Here. Who is this? Number 44. That's the 8. So if someone left you, I feel like it might be a turn around here. Yeah, a new begin. For some of you, got a new beginning here. 9 of Wands. I feel like somebody has a whole lot of emotions for you. They want to hold on to you. Man, woman, whatever. They want to hold on. I feel like, let's say this person did leave. I don't feel like they did, but if they did go a situation, it's like somewhere in their heart, they still hold for you. I feel. Could be a water sign or a fire sign. The Empress. Libra. Libra, Taurus. Sometimes it could be Virgo, could be anybody. Seven of Swords and the Knight of Cups. Someone that you let get away from you here, or they ran away from you. Who is this? Could be a mother, baby mother. Ten of Cups. Someone you were married to here or had a family with. Could be a baby mama. Okay. Alright. Yin and yang here. But this is complete happiness too. I feel like you should hold on to whoever this person is. Because even though the Empress embodies, all the queens, which is a good thing, but this person can bring a lot of joy into your life. This woman is very wise, especially with that Queen of Cups. And then that owl right there. Here. That's abundance here. Moving forward. Alright. Yin and yang, or that could be y'all. From a female. Yin and yang. I feel like you got a lot of growth. Some of you are mothers. Here. The, what they call it, the matriarch of the family. 2-2. Alright. That's the 4. That's stability. That's things getting back into balance here. Yeah, fast too. Knight of Swords. That's your energy. So you getting things back into balance. Balancing out your mind, your relationships, your connections that you have with people. Yeah, this could be a marriage. But you're working on your commitments too, knowing what to work on, what to balance out, and what to let go. This is spiritual knowledge with the yin and yang. So maybe you got your chakras realigned for some of you. Or getting a Reiki, whatever it's called. Yeah, this is transformation. Death card, transforming your life. How you look at things, how you view things here too as well. I like it. I think you're kind of anxious about this transformation too. It's like getting a restart. What's this death card? Could be dealing with a Taurus. I said Sagittarius. Could be a Sagittarius. What do you know? Sagittarius. Or a fire sign. Somebody with a big fire placement here. Some of you are transforming your looks here too. Somebody might have got surgery here. Okay. Looks good with this Queen of Wands. Or it will look good. Judgment. Yeah. This is you making a judgment about a decision here. Is something a victory or is it an illusion, right? Leo energy. You might have a moon, sun, and Leo. It's like, should you stay or should you go with this garden in the gate? I don't know. This might have to do with something. Yeah, I think this is marriage for some of you. Let's see. Number 3. Reflecting. Thanking. Wondering if something's a missed opportunity here. Queen of Swords, Six of Swords. You're going to get some type of victory if you are ending something here. Then number 30. Yeah. Somebody reflecting about, is something over? Is something done here? Wondering if they're going to be able to have a new beginning with somebody or something here. Could be an earth sign, Taurus, Capricorn, or Virgo here. Someone who stays to themselves. What's this? Somebody tired of something here. Tired of being in the house or something. Page of Swords. Someone who spies. A little bit confused. Alright, what's this Page of Swords? Three of Pentacles. Or this could be you. Working on things. Knowing you need to work on things here. But this is also being connected to on the spiritual plane. Being able to see things before they even come. Here, somebody's going to get a whole lot of downloads. Okay, you're going to be very tired. For some of you, you're going to be restless. It can go either way. But I just feel like something's very heavy on someone's mind here. What is Copy of Blessings? Nine of Cups. Whatever you want. Nine of Cups. The blessing is coming in. Yeah, something that you invest in. Something you've been working hard on with this Emperor. Or your Emperor, because I got the Empress right here. It's no, I think I'm talking to a cross watcher. There's no need to worry here. Make sure you clear your space, because I know sometimes when you get downloads and you got a lot of energy around you, it could be you picking up somebody else's energy instead of yours. Alright, what is this? Okay. I guess that's it for the Nine of Cups. What's this called? Blessings and abundance. Here. Five of Coins. Getting out of a tough money situation here. Some of you, your health could be improving too with this Five of Cups. Yep. Strength card. Overcoming health issues. Money issues too. Y'all got a good ass read. Damn. King of Cups and the Six of Wands. The victory when it comes to your love life too as well. Just make sure y'all don't fuss about past situations here. For some of you leaving a Leo out in the cold here. Let's see. Yeah, you leaving a Leo out in the cold for some of you. But this is also expansion. This is growth too as well. When it comes to your wealth, something you've been working on here, you're going to have a reason to celebrate here. Yeah, this is money. This is money coming in, nurturing energy, loving energy too as well. Okay. All right. 20 minutes. Woo. All right, Gemini, bye. Take care. Good luck, okay? Try not to get in your head so much. All right. Love y'all. Bye.